Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram send in message post feature. Now the send in message feature allows you to share content from your feed directly to specific people or groups without leaving your current view. All you have to do is go ahead and open your application, then find yourself that specific post or reel that you want to share with your friends or your group. Now what you can do is tap on this airplane icon. Now once you tap on it, you should be able to search for your group or your friends by just tapping on this. Or what you can do is you can also find their profile heads over here. All you have to do is go ahead and select on your desired friend or your group. Now once you tap on it, you should be able to find this send button. All you have to do is go ahead and click on it, and this specific post or reel will be sent to your friend or your direct message. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.